Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a photo with a clear subject, open it and duplicate the original layer so you can revert if needed. Use an automatic selection tool first, Auto Select, Magic Wand, or Quick Selection, to grab the subject roughly. This is fast and gives a base. Once the initial mask exists, switch to Refine Edge or Select and Mask to smooth hair and edges. Make sure to save a selection as a channel for later adjustments and export safety. Now refine the selection carefully. Use Refine Edge or Select and Mask, smoothing, feathering 0. 5 to 2px and increasing contrast to tighten edges. Once clean, create a new layer under the subject layer and paste or place your replacement background. Transform to fit composition and perspective. Then use adjustment layers, curves, color balance, or match color to blend lighting and color temperature so the subject looks natural. You should toggle visibility to check seams and make micro-corrections with a soft brush. Finish by adding realistic shadows and contact points. Create a new soft layer beneath the subject, paint low-opacity shadows with a soft round brush, and blur slightly to match depth. Once done, apply a subtle global color grade and vignette to unify the scene. Make sure contrast and saturation match your new background. Export as PNG for transparency or JPG for web. If edges look haloed, undo the last refine and reduce feather or use to fringe by 1-2 pixels to eliminate the halo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.